Matter can look and feel many different ways. Matter can stretch or break. Matter can float or sink. Matter can be magnetic. These things are all called properties. Properties are the characteristics of something. Color, size, and how something feels are characteristics. Floating and sinking are characteristics. Stretching and breaking are characteristics. Properties are the characteristics of something. Matter can have a lot of different properties. Color, size, and how something feels are characteristics. Properties are the characteristics of something.
Characteristics. Characteristic. Characteristics. Properties. Properties. Properties.